tell you why I'm here. And then afterwards, I'm getting dinner and drinks with my manager.
Taste test. I need to really rush. I don't want stink breath. The tacos and the burritos are finally here.
Guys, I think my body is shutting down.
I love it. I'm literally never gonna light it. It's just so cute. Let's go to LA.
I honestly really hope that my makeup stays on all day, because it's gonna be so tragic if it doesn't.
About you lately, oh yeah. You better tell me what's going on. Come on now, is you in love? Ooh, you can go about your business. Come on now, go about your life. Ooh, 'cause you ain't got no.
I'm currently waiting for the shuttle to my hotel, and it's like quite rainy, and I did not pack for rainy weather. Also, I have major anxiety today, and I don't know why. It's fine. Girly, all of the shuttles are full, and they just passed me. So like now I'm just stranded here, and I don't know what to do.
You're looking like my wife. Yeah. Maybe you can give me some information and tell me what you like. Yeah. Living on the edge of my.
Girly, my room is ready already. Oh, I'm so happy. Now I can put all my stuff in the room. Ah, yes. Oh my God. Bless the man's at the lobby. Thank you. Yes, queen. Ah. Oh my God. Yay.
Shoes off, of course.
Ah. Ah. Okay, no dirty clothes on the bed. Oh my God. Quickly, I'm just touching up my makeup. Basically, let me just tell you why I'm here. I feel like you're probably lost in all of the sauce. So basically, I'm here for an event, and that starts at 2 p.m. It's currently 10 a.m., but I have like a few hours before that. So I'm gonna hang out with my friend Ali from college. We're gonna go get brunch, and then hopefully I can like scurry back here, get ready again, and then go to the event. And then afterwards, I'm getting dinner and drinks with my manager, and then we'll see where the night takes us. So yeah, that's the vibe. Also, like, my hair is a mess. Yeah, I'm gonna have to redo this later because this is not okay. I'm stressed, guys. Let me put some dry shampoo in. Oh, okay. You know, today's just gonna be a very long day, but it'll be fun. Actually, my hair looks kind of good. Anyway, we don't have time for this. We gotta go. We gotta scurry. Okay, I think she's here, so I need to like really rush. Okay, make sure I don't forget anything. I'm gonna bring this with me, and let's go.
Taste test.
This one reminds me of the pineapple buns. This is just good. I don't know what it is. It's warm. Is it?
Yes. Hi, I'm back in the hotel room. I need to really rush. The event starts at 2. Yeah, it starts at 2, and guess what time it is? It's 1:24, and the Uber is gonna drop off at 2:07, but I'm still not ready yet, so let's hurry. I'm gonna retouch up my makeup really quick. I need to like steam this shirt because it got so wrinkly on the plane, but hopefully no one will notice. It's fine. Anyway, enough gabbing. I need to like start getting ready. Okay, cool. I'm gonna try to get ready in like 10 minutes. Okay, girly. I'm all changed. I'm just brushing my teeth because I don't want stank breath. Because the freaking burrito is just gonna be like all up the hot, and you know what I mean? So, anyway, this is the fit. Hada New York on the top, brandy tank, and Full House jeans, and a belt. And I'm gonna wear my pull-in bag, so, oh, let's not burn that. Anyway, Uber is coming in like 5 minutes, and we'll be on our way to the event. I'm excited! Oh!
Okay, also, I don't know if I should bring my jacket or not because it might be cold later and I'm just wearing this button up. I don't know, like, do I risk freezing or do I risk holding the jacket all night? Because it's gonna ruin the outfit to drink my jacket tonight.
I know what you've been through. I know what you like. I know you about it. When we turn off the light, that's right. I know that you want me. Oh, I ain't no fool. We been going at it.
Can you send me the link?
Yes. Wait, what's this called? We're currently at a Taco Bell event.
Hello, this is Christine. This is Lindsay. Is that how you pronounce it? Lindsay? Yeah. Perfect. Wait, that's such a like rich person. Yeah. Oh my gosh, what's going on here?
So you can add like your name to the hoodie.
Girl. Everyone's getting their food before me. Unfortunately. Oh, I spoke too fast. Thank you. Guys, this is crazy. Like, what do you mean? This looks so good. The chicken is kind of fire, not gonna lie. Wait. It's so good. The tacos and the burritos are finally here. Look how gorgeous. We love. And then the taco. Amazing.
Hoodie review.
Okay, hold on.
Taco Bell gang up here.
Guys, I think my body is shutting down. My heart is beating so fast. I've literally stuffed my body with so much food, I can't even think anymore. I asked my friends to go get dessert, but low-key, I think I might just stay in. I just feel so tired. And my flight leaves at like 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. So I need to get up at like 6:30 probably, maybe earlier. And I feel like, I mean, I woke up this morning. What time did I wake up? I woke up at like 5 this morning. I've been running around. I really haven't had a chance to just like chill by myself. I've been around people all day. I feel like I'm very much the type of person where like I love
hanging out and I love talking to people so much, so fun, and I love catching up with a lot of people, but I need some time to just like decompress. Too many people, too much, like it's all fun, but then like once I get back to my room, I'm like, oh my god, this is so nice. I'm alone, I can relax. But I do want to go see my friends, so like, I don't know. Like, low-key might be a bad idea because it's really late and I have to get up early in the morning, but I'm only here for one day. Oh my god, I need to show you the merch that I got. Okay, I'm really gonna struggle because I didn't bring a luggage. So I don't know how I'm gonna bring all this stuff home. Taco Bell hoodie. Yeah, I didn't open this yet, but I think they're glasses, like little like drink glasses. Oh my god. Ah! Oh, these are heavy. Stop, this is so cute. Oh my god. It says little luxuries and this little Taco Bell and it's purple. This is so adorable. I think the other one is the same. Oh, that's so cute. Okay. We can like make margaritas in this. Okay, this is like one of my favorite things that I got. Oh wait. Water break. Thank you guys for reminding me to drink water. It actually helps me drink water, like not even gonna lie. If you tell me like water reminder, I will literally drink water. Ah, nice. Okay, look at this. Look at the avocado candle. Are you kidding me? This is literally... What? I love it. I'm literally never gonna light it. It's just so cute. Okay, and then the last thing, I got a tortilla blanket. Isn't this so cute? Ah! And it was such a fun event today too. I met so many cool people. Yeah, it just like got me in the vibe of like being an influencer. Anyway. I did feel a little out of place in the beginning just because like I was a little scared, but it was so cool. The food was great and I just had a really fun time. Ah, I'm happy. But now I'm really tired. It's been a long day. Let me just chill for the rest of the night. Oh, guys, I don't think you understand how tired I am. I've been wearing makeup all day, literally since freaking 5 a.m. She's gotta come off, I'm sorry. As much as I like to like be in hotels, there's something about just like doing my skincare at home with like all my things set up. It just feels so much better. Same thing with doing my makeup. Like when I'm doing my makeup in front of like a different mirror, it just, the lighting is not the same, okay? And then my makeup turns out horribly. A nice, freshly washed, clean face. I love it. Dude, from all of the food and all of the salt and all of the sugar that I've had today, I'm probably gonna like puff up and break out and blow up and just everything tomorrow. Okay, girly, it is currently time to leave for my shuttle. It's been a really crazy 24 hours. I am really tired. I can't wait to go back home, but at the same time, I am really sad to leave. I had such a good time this trip. Like, I was really anxious in the morning, but after I kind of like was social and like talking to people, I kind of felt a little more at ease. You know? I mean, like, for me, traveling anywhere alone or even going anywhere alone, it is kind of scary. Don't get me wrong, it really is fun to be alone and just like do my own thing, but it's scary. So I have like a love-hate relationship
with doing things alone because I love doing things alone, but then I'm scared. So it's like, girl, pick a struggle, but it's fine. I really had fun, and I think like the more I go on trips by myself and just kind of like doing my own thing, I kind of get used to it and like more desensitized to the fact that I'm alone. I used to be really good at doing things by myself when I was younger, but I think like as I grew older and like made more friends, I kind of became more reliant and dependent on people, always being in like groups and stuff like that. But now as an adult, I gotta navigate this again. I gotta like go out into the world and flee the nest and just experience things for myself, by myself. It's fun and it's been great so far, and I can't wait to like travel more places. I have so many trips booked for like the next month and I'm so happy, and it's just super cool to just be able to attend events with like cool people who are doing like really cool things, and I'm there and I'm just like, me? You want to meet me? Like you like me? You know who I am? I get like major imposter syndrome because I'm like, you guys are so cool. Why am I here? But anyway, this is the perfect time to end the video because I gotta go catch a flight back to the Bay Area, back to the suburbs. But it's been a very exciting, eventful, and just overall amazing 24 hours in LA. Thank you guys so much for coming along my trip. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I just love sharing all these cool things with you guys. So I also hope that you guys find it cool as well. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Love you so much. I will catch you guys next week. Bye!